Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to fix TikTok Duet not working. Now, fixing a TikTok Duet that isn't working usually involves checking privacy settings, app update, or hardware permissions. The most common reason the button is missing or grayed out is because of the privacy settings. The other users, if the original creator has disabled the duet or set them to only me or friends, you can duet with a specific video as well. And you could also ensure your account is not set to private, as private account cannot do it. To check your permissions, simply go to profile, tap onto the gear icon, go to settings and privacy, and there just go to the privacy sections, and here you just have to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button to privacy, and you have these duet as well. So here you have to go ahead and look for the duet as well and see whether there is only friends and me enabled or not. Now, if you actually want to go ahead and make a duet video on this, right, you just have to tap on the share button. Here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for duet. If you can find the duet options, then it means the user has enabled and you could simply go ahead and make it so. So this is how you're supposed to fix TikTok Duet not working. You might also want to make sure to update your app or tap onto the clear cache and all that, and that should definitely help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix TikTok Duet not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.